Welcome to Tooltech Geek. I want to talk again about the Smith blade, the Hacksmith Industries channel. They just released a video with lots of details about what's going on with the Kickstarter. This one was the most funded knife and EDC Kickstarter ever, and they're gonna spend a lot of this funding into new CNC machines, 30 plus CNC machines, which are very expensive, and they had to kind of find around the world which ones were in stock, which is very hard because these are usually kind of made but for each customer. So, and also they are doing all sort of optimizations on how to reduce the machining time to make the Smith blade because it's very slow. By the way, this is made of cardboard. It's not the real thing because I didn't get one. So they also give a lot of detail in this video about the financials. So from those 10 millions, a lot is going to fees and the manufacturing itself. There's a small profit, and lots of that is going into the machinery. So they will end up with a tiny amount of profit, but lots of machines to keep making more of these tools. They're also planning to make innovations such as you could replace a blade with pliers, scissors, other things, or utility blades. I think that's a great idea. So I highly recommend to watch the Hacksmith video because it has so much detail. Very few companies do that. One company that shows a little bit how multi-tools are made is Dakoyu, which has videos here and there where they show you actually the steps of the process. It's very sometimes labor intensive, or the quality control. So that's another thing I recommend if you're interested in those details of how things are made. The Koyo is a good one. If you want to see how the Victorinox are made, John Gadget did a visit to Victorinox and they show a little bit of the process. Sometimes they assemble manually some of the pieces, or some are more automated. So some things to consider. But right now, I will say just go and watch the Hacksmith video because it is really, really interesting. Thank you for watching.